room 506, superior room at the Radisson Blu, in Lisbon, Portugal. Here, apparently they automatically pull out the sofa bed for you. We didn't need it, but what the heck. You got a light right here. Interestingly enough, I guess that's a European thing, where you step on the button and a light comes on. It's actually pretty good. We have a table here that they set up for us with some probably not complimentary water. I have the old school phone. We have both European plugins, 2 of them. Desk if you want to sit and do some stuff. Here you have a coffee pot for coffee or tea. You have 2 USB ports and another European plug-in. Chair for this desk if you wish to sit. A nice sized television. So you got 2 queen beds. We didn't ask for any special setup or anything. That's just how they came. And as we walked by, we saw other rooms being cleaned. Apparently that's how they have the setup for these rooms. Light switch. Another phone. Come to the side. You have a closet here with a safe. Nice. I didn't even realize it. Hold on, I have to come back. 2 drawers, some hangers. Seems sort of a similar setup to our room. And another side closet for stuff. See what they got in the mini fridge. That's what they have in the mini fridge. Although they charge you if you take anything out. Drawers. Empty drawers. 4 empty drawers. Got the old school air conditioning. Have an ironer and a ironing board for you for your clothes. Oh, this is pretty interesting. Dual sinks. Very nice. You have a bathtub with the shower. One where you can take off the handle. We'll let you know about the water pressure later. You swing by down here. Have a hair dryer already. Towels and such. Mirror, concave saving mirror. Our hair dryer plug-in. You have the regular toilet next to the bidet. This marble look in here. So that's what they mean by the superior room, I guess. And a little space right here for your knickknacks, along with a mirror.